Okay, I had a chance to work on a kitchen design for your space. And this is my first attempt. And I'm going to give you the grand tour. First thing I did was design this area. I put a pantry here. This has got a pantry with roll-out trays in it. Almost everybody wants one of these, so the best place to put it would be in the corner. That moves the refrigerator obviously this way, but the benefit of moving that refrigerator allows these doors to swing open, or this door to swing open without hitting this wall. You probably are experiencing that now, where the right refrigerator door swings open and hits this wall. I haven't put them in yet, but I know you want panels on this refrigerator. Obviously, a piece of homework that you would want is to let me know what kind of appliances you have in mind. Then I can plug that into the design. We have a refrigerator here. Then I have a landing area here. Wall cabinet, base cabinet. And the base cabinet could have drawers, but for now I've got a cabinet with a drawer, 2 doors, and behind the 2 doors, I believe, I put roll-out trays. I'm a bit of a fan of roll-out trays. Yep, there's 2 of them. But you can have a mixture of drawers and doors. Now, as you can see, I've moved where the stove is. This wall isn't exactly huge, so the benefit of moving the stove over here is it's an outside wall, so it makes it very easy to vent. And there's better landing area on either side of the stove rather than putting it over here. So the countertop workspace has better surface area on either side of the stove. We want to try and maintain at least 15 inches as a guideline for a landing area on either side of a stove. So over here I've got another cabinet with roll-out trays and a drawer. Wall cabinets you can see in the corner. Super Susan in the corner. This is probably the best use for the corner if you want to utilize all the storage that's in a corner. But this cabinet has 2 spinning trays that spin independently of each other. Then we have a dishwasher. Sink centered over the window. This window, I've got the size of that window at 60 inches. Your current boxed-in window is 45 inches, just about 45 inches. So I've increased the width of that window. Single bowl sink, whether you want a farmer's sink or just a standard undermount sink, we can have that discussion. I always like to put next to the sink trash pullout, so this would have a drawer and a 2-bin trash pullout behind this door. 30 wide stove. I think you wanted to convert to gas. Dedicated vent. Bank of 4 drawers next to the stove where you're going to put your cooking tools. And actually you can put spices in here too. I haven't put a wall cabinet here because it was kind of, lack of a better term, sore thumb. But if you want me to put a wall cabinet, I can. That wall cabinet would be 15 inches wide, where this cabinet here is 18 inches wide, because I don't want to jam it right up against the hood, if this is the kind of hood you want. There's many different hoods. Again, part of your homework is to figure your appliances, and the hood would be one of them. Moving to the island, you're probably wondering where the microwave is. And that's where I put it, right here. This could be a microwave convection oven if you wanted it to. But we have a base cabinet. This could be drawers or what I have here, which is 2 doors and a drawer. Roll-out trays. And this is the same cabinet. This microwave cabinet would have a drawer at the bottom. And then I've put wainscoting on 3 sides of the island. And then I've added, which is optional if you don't think you need it, I've added an overhang. So you could comfortably fit a stool here, a stool on the corner, and a stool here. Comfortably. 4 stools would be tight. So this is my first attempt. I know I probably don't get everything the first time, but it certainly gives you something to consider. And if you'd like to see some changes, we can certainly make those changes in my office. Sometimes that's more productive. Or if they're fairly simple and I understand them, I'd be happy to get your suggestions by email. But at this stage, I would probably study appliances. See what kind of appliances you want. Then I can probably make changes a little more productively. Again, this is a very standard 24 wide dishwasher. This is a very standard 30 wide slide-in stove. You want a slide-in stove, by the way, where the controls are in the front, which gets rid of the bulky thing in the back. So this is a slide-in. This is either a microwave drawer. Probably Sharp makes a microwave drawer that you might want to take a look at. They make a number of different sizes, so depending on what size you get, I'd accommodate the cabinet for it. And at the moment, this is a 36 wide space for the refrigerator. If you want panels, you're probably the only choice you're gonna probably have is a counter depth refrigerator. And 36, they come in 36, they come in 42. I'm not sure if they come in 48, but 42 would certainly eat into this landing area, or I could take away from this 36 wide pantry. So if you think ideally a 36 wide, if you feel that that's enough storage for your refrigerator, I think would be best for the space. And of course we're doing crown molding to the ceiling. Let's see that. I welcome any feedback you have.